In this series of online lessons, we aim to introduce you to programming. Programming can be quite challenging. However, we will make the process simple and fun by starting with something called block programming. The application we will be using is called Scratch. So, in today's lesson, we will create an online account. Once you've created your account, you will need to follow me. We are going to download and install Scratch on your laptop. So in step 1, creating an online account. This is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is go to the Scratch website. The website address is www.scratch.mit.edu. Or you can go to any search engine like Google and search for Scratch. Once you've opened the website, you now can go to the top of the screen and click on Join Scratch. You'll need to enter your school email address. This is preferable, but if you want, you can put your own personal email address in as well. I would prefer use the school one though. Please also enter your age as born in 2002. Now once you've created your account, you may or may not receive an email from Scratch which will try to verify your email address. So please check your emails. And if you have received an email from Scratch, just click on the link which says Verify. Now once you've logged into Scratch, I would like you to follow me. It's not straightforward how to find people's accounts. So what you'll need to do is, at the top of the screen in your URL search bar, you'll need to type in the following. So whatever I've put on the screen, just pause and then type in exactly as it is, and then you'll be able to find my profile. And you can now just click on follow. Right, the final step for today, and I know we've not had a lot planned today, is to download and install Scratch. Again, this is quite a simple process. So first thing we do is we go into Google search, we type in download Scratch, and once we've done this, you click on the first search option that comes up, and you come to a page where you are able to download the application. Now please make sure that you are in the right area. If you're using a Mac, do not click on the Windows section. So click on either Windows or Mac operating system, OS, depending on what laptop you're using. Click on the link which allows you to download it onto your computer. And once it's downloaded, click on the file. Don't worry if it won't install. You can use Scratch online, but having it on your laptop means you can use Scratch even when you are not online.